Beer Mister here. Today we have an '08 Acura MDX. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to change the tail light bulb if it's not working, or remove the assembly. Actually, this is LED, so there's no bulb in there. There may be one down in there, but we're going to find out. I'm going to show you how to access these. The first thing you want to do is pop the hatch. First thing on the tailgate, if you look on the trim panel, there's a little closure panel here. So you can access the bulbs on the tailgate through there. Or to remove it, there's bolts here. All right, but we're focusing on this tail light here. First thing we have to do, look in here and see that there is no panel for access on the inside. So we're gonna have to take these caps off with a screwdriver. But there's a little bolt or screw under there. We're going to find out. Looks like a 10 millimeter bolt. You can use a screwdriver or a 10 millimeter to get them out. So we get the cap off. We got 10 millimeter. Actually, it looks like an 8 millimeter. So we're going to switch out with an 8 millimeter. 9 out of 10 cars are going to have 10 millimeter in there. But like I say, you could also use a Phillips. So once you get them out, basically what holds this in, there's like pressure pins that hold it in. Let's see if there's anything else. There is a bracket under there. We're going to see if it might have taken that bracket off, which is not good, but we'll try to wiggle it first. It wouldn't wiggle out, so what we're going to do is take these 10s out. Which means if you have to take this bracket off, you're going to have to disconnect the bumper, but let's find out. Yep. You can see it moved already. So unfortunately, to take this taillight out, you have to take the bumper down. That's a whole nother video. You have to get those bolts on the side, 2 on the side, 2 on the bottom. Then there's a pressure pin. We're going to just kind of hold it here and hit it this way, relieve the pressure. So it's really not moving, but the key is to pull it outward, like that, outward, and then it comes out. All right, see the pins? See the grommet? And inside here it is. This is LED on the top and a bulb on the bottom. So if you want to spin it out, pull it, and then there's the bulb. Pull that bulb straight out. Each bulb has a number on it. You can take it to your local supply house, give them the number, or tell them what it's for, 2008 Acura or whatever. It's for a reverse light, turn signal, whatever. They'll know what to give you. And that's it. We put it back together the opposite way. But the key to this is because of this bracket here, which really holds it on there underneath. You're going to have to take the bumper back to get to those bolts. All right, unless you have another way of getting to them without taking it off. Joe Beer Mister, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.